Okay, so I decided that I was gonna do a video, right? Because I was just gonna go to the store. And the thing is, right, it was either go to the supermarket, because my child, he's right here, and my other baby is out there. It was either go to the supermarket, run errands in a hoodie and a hat, or be cute and love yourself, right? And put on a wig, because my hair is not done. Like, it's no bueno. So I'm going to put this wig on, and I'm gonna curl her a little bit. She is a ready to go glueless wig. She is also 5x5. Don't we love that? She come with the adjustable straps and extra adjustable straps if you need it. So we're just gonna put her on. And let me tell you something. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I've been wearing this one for like 3 weeks, 2 weeks now, straight. I ain't even wash her yet. Don't call me dirty. I just been loving on her and wearing her out. So watch me bring her back to life. Get the other side. Because you just never know who you're going to see, right? So, gotta make sure you look good. Or at least decent. And just like that, with a couple of girls. I'm about to go to the supermarket. And I look good doing it too. To think I was going to wear a hoodie and a hat. Nobody will know. Nobody knows. It's not coming up the scalp. It is. What is it? All right, y'all. I'm going to go. Bye.